Hello, everyone. Still don't get my intro down yet, but gonna to later on in the future. You know what? Let's just cut to the video part. We are doing vlog number 1. Yay. And it's gonna be of my little pooch, Bud. Oh, John, but I call him Bud. Hey, Bud. Yep, Buddo. So, we're gonna see what he's gonna be up to all day. Got that? You're gonna be a superstar, Bud. Okay. Let's see what he's up to. Hey, John, what's your thoughts on climate change? Interesting. He's the cutest little dog ever. Look at him. You just want to give him a little kiss. Yep, kiss. He's a cute little poochie. Look at him. He's so adorable. You just want to squeeze. Oh, no, he don't like it. Oh. Cute dog. Bud? Aren't you a cutie? Do y'all think he's a cutie? Look into them doggy eyes. He also likes snow. Not really, he hates the snow. You eat it some. Not all the time. Yeah. Snowball. Snow. Yep, well. Bud, you got this. Yeah, I really hate the snow too. That's what. Yeah. Bud, you wanna go inside? Bud, you wanna go inside? Don't you? Huh? Yeah. Okay. Well, so I think that's that. I think that's the cue saying like, "Hey, that's enough. Let's just end the video." Okay, well, that was Bud, aka John, my dog, and our first vlog introducing you to Bud, my dog. There he goes. Okay. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day. My head is just a snowball right now. Alright. Gothic is a mist.